Hello friends, we have seen one-to-one relationship set where we have seen either side can be chosen to act as many side. So we can add extra attribute to either of the tables corresponding to the two entities set which is having many side. If participation is partial on many side, then replacing a schema by an extra attribute in the schema corresponding to the many side could result in null values when participation is partial. If participation is full, that is either side, one of the side we have assumed that it is many and we add an extra attribute to the many side, then it is not null. This is we have seen. Next is the schema which is corresponding to relationship set linking a weak entity set to its identifying strong entity set. Now we'll see how we can reduce the schema or represent the or remove the redundancy. Redundancy already we have seen, that is duplication, double records which are unnecessarily stored or represented. Now, when there is a redundancy of schema, then we have to remove that redundancy. Now here we'll see there is a weak entity set section, there is a identifying strong entity set course, and there is a relationship set present between the weak entity set and identifying strong entity set, that is sec underscore course, which represented as double diamond, and weak entity set is represented as double rectangle, and there is one to many, so many side is total participation. Now this is a schema which corresponding to a relationship set sec course linking a weak entity set section to its identifying strong entity set course, and here the redundancy is present. The schema is redundant for section and for sec course as the relationship set. The schema is redundant, duplicate. How? The section, that is weak entity set schema, is represented as primary key of identifying strong entity set and all the attributes of section. Are you there? So this is what we have learned. So section schema will be represented by course ID, course ID as a primary key of course and all these attributes, section ID, semester and year. So this is the schema of section. Now when we see sec course, then sec course is also represented by the primary key of course and primary key of this section. but section is a weak entity set. So also it is represented by all discriminator attributes, that is course ID and sec underscore ID, semester and year. That's why sec course as a relationship set will have a same schema, and section as an entity set will have a same schema. So these are the same schema. That is redundant. That is redundant. And we have to eliminate it. We have to remove it. So we can eliminate sec course. Sec course. So automatically we can remove the redundancy. Section as a weak entity set will have a similar schema. So the schema corresponding to a relationship set linking a weak entity set to its identifying strong entity set is identical, is redundant, and we can remove this schema of sec course. So automatically the redundancy will be removed.